Find features that distinguish it from other brands. For CTOLITY Portable Power Station, we are introduced some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. 2 hours fast charging. With 1000 watt AC input, 90% recharge in 2 hours. Solar charging reaches 100% in 4 hours at 600 watt XT60 input. You can also recharge your power station through the car outlet on a road trip. Always ready to go when you need it. 48 watt-hour capacity, power up to 11 devices simultaneously. With a rated power of 2400 watt, featuring 13 output ports including 4 pure sine wave AC, 2400 watt, 4 XQC 3.0 USB-A, 18 watt, 2 USB-C, PD 100 watt and 22.5 watt, 2 DC and car charger output. With LED lights, the solar generator is capable of charging multi-devices simultaneously, meeting power needs in various scenarios. LiFePO long life battery of durable and reliable. CTOLITY Portable Power Station powered by LiFePO4, LiFePO, cells, offering 3000 battery cycles over a 10-year lifespan, ensuring reliability for years to come. With an advanced BMS, you can go easy knowing it's auto-regulating to keep your device protected. Solar fast charge at anywhere. Solar-powered generator built-in MPPT charge controller for up to 600 watt solar input, fully powering the device in just 4 hours, merging technology with sustainability for outdoor camping. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.